All right, let's talk about some of the big analyst calls of the day. First, we have Home Depot and Lowe's. Reiterated outperform at BAIRD. Jason Snipe, you own both of these names.
Yeah, Scott, I like them both. Obviously, you know, I don't try and overcomplicate the housing market. I mean, there's just demand is still surpassed. Demand surpasses supply here. So, you know, I like Lowe's. Lowe's is a great opportunity. I think there's some margin growth, some business analytics work that they've done, you know, but I like both names here. I think there's an opportunity here into the end of the quarter and into early next year.
Farmer Jim, Depot's not that far from a high in its own right. 375.15 is the 52-week high. 367.88 is where it currently trades.
Another war horse. And you know what? You got that opportunity in early January. This is important. In early January, the market sold them off, or maybe it was early February, after a pretty good earnings report. That's when I got in. And again, to what I was saying earlier, that the market does not always get price right. That's what I'm trying to do with those names I'm picking up today. The market gets it wrong sometimes on earnings. You've got to pounce when that happens. This is one I intend to hold for a long time. Hey, Scott, you asked me last week why this and not Lowe's. I got to tell you, I look at them as having the same motive forces. I like Home Depot because it's bigger. And when I see two things that look almost identical, I always go with the bigger company.
Okay, so let's talk about companies that obviously do a lot of the same stuff, similar businesses, EXXON and Chevron, Stephanie Link, because EXXON gets cut to a sell. The target gets lowered to $50 at TRUIST. You own Chevron. Why have you chosen to own Chevron over EXXON like Jim has chosen Home Depot over Lowe's?
Well, I think they have stronger fundamentals and much better execution. Now it's lagged EXXON year to date by 23%. So I think there's an opportunity. They've done a great job in terms of asset sales and M&A. Their free cash flow yield on 2022 numbers, 10%. They could double the dividend next year alone. Not saying that EXXON can't, but I think at the discount it's trading at to EXXON, I think Chevron is the better own here.